Good morning or afternoon or evening, all you traders. It's the weekend edition. The market's up just a smidgen, just by a hair on Friday. VIX closing at 35 points. And the Russell's the one down, but the NASDAQ was it was right there. Should have been red right at the end of the day, but it popped up into bullish territory. Usually the NASDAQ Russells can lead the market, so those were lagging. Anyway, here's the daily. We keep going up here. What's interesting is we did close over 875. 875 is a big resistance area. We did close higher than that. Very interesting. Seeing that we could keep popping up here maybe a little bit, looking at the daily S&P. Now, we're overbought right now. We're still waiting patiently, sitting on our hands, sitting on a lot of cash, just waiting. Don't get suckered into this bullish. To do so, you could get your hand slapped red. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart on the S&P. Let's go back. Where was I here? Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to count that just as a sideways 1, 6, and then 7. Some people would call this 8 going up. You can't go up that many weeks without having a retracement. You have to come down soon. I mean, just count this, like this little leg that we had here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. Sideways bars I count as 1, 6, and then a big crash coming down. Let's do another up leg. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, crash. Here's a nice one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like 7, and then crash. Here's one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, crash. Here's one that went up quite a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then came down, went up 2, and then crashed. Went up, crash. But look at the date here. We're in 2006. This is the last time we had a run like this. 2006, we're in 2009. Look at this big run. Tell me that we're not going to get a retracement. I'm telling you, it's coming. It is coming. And let's look at the monthly. Here's the monthly. We had a nice big drop, and we have our little pop here. So April, March, and April, nice and bullish. And here we're starting off. I'll tell you, trade until May, and go away. Remember that? Have you heard that before? Trade until May and go away. It's setting up to be just that, gang. Monthly, we're ready for the down leg. Weekly, ready for the down leg. Now, let's take a look at a website that I think is uber cool called Finviz. And if anybody knows the owners over here at Finviz.com or somebody that works there, let me know. I'd like to touch base with them. Finviz.com, I'm going to go right here, click on groups. And here we are in groups. Now check this out. Pay special attention to what I'm about to tell you. Financials 6 months ago was down here in the gutter. See this? 6 months ago. Right now, within 3 months, financials and technology doing the very best on this. On when you're talking about the cycles, the markets are cyclical. So say that 10 times fast. What we have to have is financials, and we have to have technology getting strong in the markets before we can pull ourselves out of this miry pit that we've been in for the last 2 years. And look what we see, and a big about face on financials. Down in the gutter, way up here in the clouds, flying around freely. Big run on the financials. 1 month financials, still very strong. Conglomerates, who was way down here in the bottom. Conglomerates down here in the bottom on the 6 months. Now is on the 1 month way up here at the top. Very nice to see. So for the weekly, I don't pay attention to the weeks. Watch the months. That will tell you sentiment, rotation, and what's taking place. Pay attention to financials. Pay attention to financials and technology. If they continue to be strong, I expect to see financials and technology to take a hit. When the markets go doing an about face and does a nice pullback throughout the summer here, I expect these two to take a hit, but I expect them to come screaming back when the markets go bullish, and I will be there for those. I'll tell you, I'm a fundamental trader. I have I'm telling you, a mean strategy that I use. It's a system that I use, and with the help of some others and myself putting this together, puts me on rock star stocks. I'm telling you, these are companies that will shoot up and they're ready to rock and roll. So can't wait for us to go bullish because I am set and ready to go. So there you have it. There's the weekend edition here at freetradingvideos.com. And wow, we had like 100 of you guys come on to secure your usernames. And for all you lurkers out there that have not secured your username, go to the forums, click on register, and secure your username. So if you have a username that you like to use, you better get it because I'm telling you, they're going fast. So, free trading videos, where the freedom to learn gives you the freedom to profit.